Got a Marantz 2330. 130 watts per channel, that's what it's rated at, continuous. Built in 77. Replaced the 2325. Beautiful receiver, powerful receiver. We're going to put it to the test. We've got a dummy load inside the Brinks home security box. There's 16 1 ohm 25 watt resistors, 2 channels, 8 each, strung in series to make 2 channels at 8 ohms, 200 watts. Pretty simple. We got a Velleman HPS 140i oscilloscope, Velleman function generator. We're going to be testing it at 20 hertz, the bottom end of the scale. Now I've got everything hooked up, so let's do it. The only problem I'm having is getting it to where the numbers are clear on this thing. You should be able to see the numbers clearly. Let's see. That's not too bad. Let's start cranking the volume up. Right now we're not even into watts yet. Now we're into watts. If you can see it. $18. Trying to make it to where it's clear as possible so you can see the numbers. $83, $128. Okay, we're at 139 right now. Now that's over what it's rated. And it's still a clean sine wave. 169. 195. That's flattening out there. Back it down, back it down. 175. I'm going to call it 175. 175.45 watts at 8 ohms. Clean power, clean sine wave. That is pretty impressive. We're going to crank it back down, and we're going to hook it up to the other channel and test that side. We're going to test both sides and see how even they are on both sides. So let's hook our oscilloscope up to the other channel. Plug it in there and see if we can get it to where these numbers are somewhat clear. That doesn't look too bad. Oh, that's clear. There we go. Now, let's crank it up. Here we go, folks. Now we're entering watts. This is the other channel. Sine waves. Nice and clean. 139. Oh, it's flattening off there. 195, 175. Clean sine wave, 175. It's a little bit more than that, but you know what? I'm doing it conservatively. And I'm going to call it 175 per channel, clean at 8 ohms. It was actually going up into the 180s, maybe even 190, but I don't like to cut any of the top of that sine wave off. None of it at all. So the 2330 Marantz, rated at 130 watts per channel, easily does 175 watts per channel. That is a freaking beast, folks. That's one badass receiver.